Hi, Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 2014 330 Sundancer. This boat, we're in the cabin area right now. It's got a grill, microwave, sink, nice big bed area. Got a seating on the side here. This area has a few items, kind of hard to see, but nice little area for people to sit or sleep down there. Coming up into the cockpit, got your helm, got a Raymarine. This boat's in great shape. Nice sink up top here, as well as seating in this 330. This boat looks great, the outside looks great, the upholstery is in great condition. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax Rogers, Minnesota. As always, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.